Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my natural hair calendar for 2025 and some of my goals kind of mixed into that. While we're talking, I'm going to be doing my hair. I already did the back. We have just some chunky mini twists. Well, they're not mini for me if you guys are hip to my channel, but we just have some chunky twists going on. I do plan to take these out in a few days to do a twist out. So we're just going to do the top portion right here, and I want to show you guys what I'm using. I'm finally getting a chance to try the Pattern styling cream and the Pattern curl mousse. Now I got the trial size because I've tried some Pattern products in the past and my hair wasn't too crazy about them. So this combo though, so far my hair is loving. So I'm really excited to see what this twist out's gonna be looking like in a few days. So my hair is washed. I did stretch it out in these like big plaits, big chunky plaits and twist. So I'm just gonna finger detangle and section. Now the 2025 natural hair calendar was a trend that I saw going on TikTok, and as I'm talking today, TikTok was banned last night, but now it's back. So hopefully by the time this video posts, TikTok is still here. I don't know, I think it's all, that's a whole other video we could talk about. I'm using some of the styling cream first and then some of the foam. I'm just gonna do a whole section instead of individually. Also, what I've been doing is trimming my ends because I realized my twist outs have been coming out a little dull and it's the ends, but I think it's because I need a trim. So I have been dusting the ends a bit. This is the thinnest part of my hair, so I'm gonna actually make these sections kind of big. Like, yeah. But this whole style that I'm doing kind of leads me into my first goal of the year. I do want to perfect my twist outs. It's always been one of my favorite styles. Flat twist outs are really my favorite. I did that for New Year's Eve and that was a last minute decision, and thankfully, luckily, that did come out really cute. So when I say perfect, I want them to be able to have definition and actually last. So I am experimenting with new products. I am a recovering product junkie, so I try not to get a whole bunch of new hair products. Like, I try to stick to what works, but sometimes I get tempted, and I've been seeing some amazing twist outs on TikTok and YouTube using Pattern Beauty, so your girl is over here trying it. So far my routine has been washing my hair on the weekend, whatever day, and then putting these chunky twists in and letting them sit for a few days and then taking them out and repeating the process. One of my other goals for 2025 is to tinker into the straight natural world. I don't know how far we're tinkering, but I want to tinker. And I have tried near the end of 2024, you know, doing some styles with just keeping my hair in the blown out state. So I guess technically blown out natural style. And that was cute and everything, but because my active lifestyle is so frequent and I'm running and I'm in the gym, it's not looking great all the time. I also noticed with my fine strands that my hair actually likes being stretched. Wash and goes are just a no-no. I think I did a whole video about what I've learned about my hair and where I messed up at, and that was one of them, doing a lot of wash and goes. My hair doesn't like wash and goes. I like wash and goes, but my hair don't like wash and goes. So I kind of had to like ease back on those, and I saw my happy little medium was just kind of blowing out my hair and let it be stretched in that state for a while. I was blowing out my hair and doing twist outs, but that's a long process, okay? I'd rather just pop out the shower, stretch overnight, and then start twisting. I'll also be adding the So Slick Braiding Grip Gel from Kaleidoscope. Their collab with Debrat. I really like this stuff for all my kind of twist extension styles, and I'm kind of using it now as like an edge control, but it's pretty good. I like it a lot. This is my second jar. So we're just gonna put a little bit of that on the edges and the root. I did this mostly just for the front pieces. I didn't really do too many in the back with any edge gel, just because I really want this to last and look pretty neat. I'm gonna trim just a snip of it off, and wherever I kind of feel single strand knots. I want to do fewer protective styles that require me to add additional hair, so no more extensions. Well, I'm not gonna say no more extensions, but fewer extension styles. I noticed my hair it just, you know, it's my fault too, but I just feel like it really dries my hair out, and I get kind of lazy when they're in, and I don't really take care of my scalp or my hair like I should be. And my hair is fine. My hair is very fine, so it's prone to breakage very easily. And when I put these heavy additional hair on there, it's not that great. I'm trying to do more styles where I don't add hair, and that's my protective style. I don't exactly know what those are right now. As you can see, I'm obviously a twist girl, so more twists and things like that, but we're still practicing. We'll see what, you know, I come up with. So with that in mind, I want to get into my natural hair calendar, and on TikTok there's lots of videos of girls with a Canva template, and they kind of like put a picture of the style they want that month, how much it's going to cost, who's going to do it, yada yada yada. I don't want to do all that because I just know I'm gonna change my mind a lot, and I just don't want to, you know, make any more calendars. So we're already in January, and as you can see, January is the month of the twist outs. Just perfecting those, seeing how they work in my routine, blah blah blah. January is the month of twist outs. February we're gonna have some mini twists, but not just any mini twists. These are gonna be kind of special, and I'm excited about these because I feel like these are gonna kind of solve the problems I've been having. You guys, you just want to subscribe and come back and see how those mini twists look. Like, these are not just like my usual mini twists. These are going to be something different. March, I want to try crochet, and a very particular crochet. I'm talking to a brand now, and yeah, I want to try crochet. I, you know, don't know how to cornrow, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do it kind of like in a braidlets method, or maybe I'll get my hair cornrowed and just take the L and pay the cost. In April, I do have some traveling for work, and if the crochet is not working out, I'll probably throw in some mini twist. I go on this trip every year for work, so mini twists have always came through for me with that stuff. Mini twists have always like come through with me for like work trips, work events. So if the crochet is not still in my head, then I'll probably just do mini twists. In May, this is when races are starting up again, so I'm gonna be running a little bit more. Even April, like as soon as it starts hitting spring and getting warm outside, the runners are back, baby. We're outside. I have to figure out a style that works for running and also just looking cute. I feel like I don't look cute on my race days. So I wanna try a cute style. I wrote down a half wig. So we'll see if I like running with half wigs. I feel like I'm not gonna like running with half wigs though. But I wrote down half wigs. June, I wrote down twist outs again because, you know, we're gonna perfect them. I plan on traveling this year. I just don't know exactly when and where. I'm definitely gonna last minute it because I have a lot going on. But if anything, I'll be perfecting my twist out again in June. Also, I put slash half wig because maybe I'll still be rocking the half wig. I don't know. July, I'll probably allow some more wash and goes into my routine. Not too many though, but I just feel like it's gonna be hot in July, so I'll probably tinker with wash and goes or these chunky twists or a half wig. Those are probably going to be my biggest rotations this year. August, I'm going to try a curly sew-in. I never had a sew-in before. Well, I've had one sew-in before with a closure, but I've never had a curly sew-in, and I think they look really cute. And I feel like by then I'll find a stylist that I trust to do the curly sew-in. September, I looked last year, and in September I did kinky twist, like these ombre kinky twist. Again, like my goal said, I'm trying to do fewer styles that have me putting extra hair in, but if I follow this calendar, this would probably be the first month of me braiding my hair into extensions. I don't count crochet because my hair will be braided down and the crochet kind of just goes on top of that, and obviously I don't count half wigs at all either, so I might allow myself a break and do some kinky twists. That's pending though. All of this is pending really because I might change my mind. We are running through this video. I was worried I wouldn't be able to like twist and talk, but I'm actually very capable of twisting and talking, and I wonder if that's because I've just done it for so long. So October, I wrote down mini twist again. I don't know what's going on in October for me right now, but I know November is going to be crazy, so I probably will just throw in some mini twists. But we're doing about 3 sets of mini twists at least. I feel like it's gonna end up being more than that. November, December, I kind of lumped together. and I put get a blowout and a sew-in. I don't know if it's going to be another curly sew-in or what it's going to be, but that's my birthday month, November. And then the holidays in December, I just don't want to be bothered. So it's going to be cold enough for me to have some kind of leave out. I don't know. It might be a curly sew-in. I don't see myself getting a straight kind of sew-in because it's just not my ministry. Throughout the whole year, I do these little like dustings and things if I feel like there's too many single strand knots or my ends just don't feel great. I'll snip them. I'm the queen of the snip. I will snip something. I've never planned out a year of hairstyles before, and I'm kind of excited to see if this kind of helps me. I know on TikTok also, like, people use this as like a wish list, like a style they wish and hope to get and achieve. I don't really have anything like that except maybe the sew-in. I've always wanted to try one and I've been holding it off. I think this year I'll, like, you know, put the coins to the side or maybe get a sponsorship and get a sew-in. A curly sew-in with some nice bundles that match my hair texture. I've also been braiding at the root. I don't know if you guys can tell while I've been talking. Okay, so here's the side we just finished. If my camera would focus on me and not make me look so bright, thank you. So here's the side we just finished. That shine is crazy. I love it so far. They're starting to puff up and not look so thin and weird looking, thank goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera and I'll show you guys the results when we come back. Okay, we are done with our twists. I'm going to keep these in for a few days and then take them out. I'll probably post the twist out photo on my Instagram stories or community tab, or if TikTok's around, maybe I'll post it on TikTok. I don't know, but follow me on all of those so we can stay connected. Leave down below a style that you're looking forward to trying this year in 2025, or maybe a natural hair goal that you have. Let's keep each other accountable. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.